participate in the debate competition 2023, which is organized by English Achievers. I am grateful to Team English Achievers for arranging such an amazing English debate competition, giving me chance to participate in the event. And I would like to thank the judges and audience. Please take my love at first. This is Aisha Siddika. Our debate topic is coffee is better than tea. Now I am going to explain how coffee is better than tea. Good ideas start with brainstorming. That ideas start with coffee. First of all, everyone knows that as students we usually do not get enough sleep since our schedules are filled with homework and extracurriculum. That's why I think it is important to be able to jumpstart your day with a cup of coffee, however you like it. The reason is that we all are students. Secondly, in a recent report of TFC, there was a woman who died from excessive fluoride consumption due to tea. But she was going through hundreds of Lipton tea bags for decades. In practice, don't expect something like that to come up. Drink as much tea as you are comfortable with. There is no evidence about coffee that people are dying. My opposition team, can you please explain me if humans being are not sick by drinking tea? Then how could you say tea is better? Please, I request you come with me after debate to take a cup of coffee to remove your wrong thinking because you are in a danger zone. The reputation of coffee has undergone a changeover with new facts emerging from research. WHO's research, in fact, it listed coffee as food to reduce the risk of liver, colon, and prostate cancer. Studies also suggested that coffee can help you live longer. Coffee also a preventive for Parkinson's disease, liver disease, heart disease, and heart failure. Coffee is good for mental health and has even acted as a mild antidepressant. On the other hand, prostate cancer is the worst side effect of drinking too much tea. Research has shown that men who are heavy tea drinkers may be at higher risk for prostate cancer than those who don't. So guys, don't make many argue with us to extend this meaningless topic and support us and say that coffee is far better than tea. The best time to drink coffee is now. Thank you my audience and lovely for listening.